I would say about 95% of all the projects in my portfolio are currently oversold, some of them a little bit more than others, and Worldcoin is one of those that's testing range lows. And we're currently testing and holding a support that goes back to September of 2023. And when you zoom in, you'll see that we're in a bullish crossover on the daily. We're having an LRC support test. Momentum looks like it's inflowing. All really good things to see for a project like Worldcoin. Now, if you're unfamiliar with this project, I'll tag the video that we went over a few months ago that does a little bit more of a deep dive into the tokenomics, utility, and things like that of Worldcoin. But you have to keep in mind and remember that this is a Sam Altman-backed project, so this is also tied into OpenAI. Now, as a long-term DCA opportunity, this is fantastic because there is very little downside and maximum upside for something like this. Obviously, the floor can slip and go down more, but either way, the damage will be relatively minimal compared to what we've already seen. And to the top side, even if this wanted to do a 10x move or be worth $9.79, you're still not testing the all-time high, which is at about $11.84. So you're talking about a project that is backed and created by Sam Altman that easily has 10x potential without even testing all-time highs. And if this does break all-time highs, you're going to go into price discovery mode, which can make it very easy for a project like this to go parabolic. Now, another major target point that I'd be looking for selling pressure would be at about $6.36, and then another area at about $4.20. Once you can pass those major resistances, the sky is the limit for Worldcoin, but at the end of the day, I would not be upset to get close to a 10x just to test all-time highs on a project like this. If you want to come trade with me, there are limited spots available in the Epic Mentorship Program, and that'll give you access to the Academy, the buy and sell signals, the alerts, the community, the mobile app, everything. So I'll tag the link in the description. I'll also tag it in the video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns you want to leave about Worldcoin in the comments, please don't hesitate to ask. If you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. That'd be greatly appreciated. I hope everyone's having an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you're tuning in the world, and I'll see you on the next video.